This is a project which automatic open door when body temperature is normal, and when body temperature is high, that is when person is suffering from fever, then door will not open and it will alert high temperature. This is the part used in this project. The setup for touchless infrared temperature sensor, and here you can see these are the sensors. This is for adjusting infrared sensor range. This is indicator, and these two are infrared sensor, transmitter and receiver. This is touchless infrared sensor, temperature sensor, and this is laser light for spotting the body. For entry hand near sensor, I am putting hand to sensor, and temperature is normal. Door is already open and now closing. Now I am putting hand from phone. Door opened. Now door is closing. To check high temperature, you can rub your hand and then check. Temperature of hand will increase and it will sense high temperature, that is fevering temperature.